Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Track Star versus Cops #2. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
On May 31st, 2023, officers from the Glendale Police Department in Wisconsin discovered a stolen BMW. Acting efficiently, officers preemptively organized numerous spike strips to stop this suspect from escaping. With heavy traffic during the afternoon rush hour, officers devise a plan to quickly spike the vehicle to limit speeds should the driver flee.
778, are you good for a felony stop? Don't let these cars go. Oh, turn your lights and hit it. For two, we're going to be making a felony stop, 1300 block of 13 Spence, Silver Spring. Got stuck. Looks like we're in pursuit. Heading eastbound at Silver Spring. Behind you. Just drive.
Man, this makes it really difficult, man, because there's so much traffic going on. This is tough. This is really tough, man. I give them props, man. But hopefully them spikes they hit. You know what I mean? Because if them spikes hit, then it's only a matter of time before that wheel comes off and stuff like that. But that could be very dangerous because this is so crowded right now.
Freeway. The black vehicle driver looks like only 1 out of 2 times. Quick pass the freeway coming up to the north. Traffic here. Looks like we must be going north sometime here.
According to police reports, the suspect lost control of the vehicle and slammed into the back of a utility vehicle that was surrounded by workers. Immediately afterwards, she flees on foot. Since the incident wasn't fully caught on dashcam, our team...
Hold on. See what I said? I said it's so crowded. It's busy stuff going on right now. You know what I'm saying? It's the middle of the day. Now you crash into, look. You see all the workers on the side. They probably ran out of the way because they seen her crashing. Oh man, this is bad.
Volunteers worked to obtain security camera footage of the crash.
Damn, she out though. She gone. What?
742, vehicle's cleared. Are you guys all okay? All right. Go north on Bayshore Drive. Go ahead, I'll steer the car. There's the road.
Look, he ain't slick. He talking about go ahead, I'm gonna stay with the car. That's because he don't want to be in that pursuit and that chase, because he driving and stuff, but they gonna get out and they gonna get on foot again and start running. The cop ain't slick, bruh. He not slick. He probably an old timer. He trying to chill out. He like, yo, y'all go ahead. Y'all young bucks, y'all go ahead. Nah, he ain't trying to get involved like that. You hear me?
the hole now.
According to police reports, this officer was able to gain ground on the suspect. She eventually gave up and laid down on the ground before the officer reached her. Unfortunately, the report also indicates that the officer was in the middle of syncing his body camera to his cruiser when the incident occurred, preventing us from witnessing that full scene. The police report indicated that the mall had outdoor security cameras that may have captured the scene. We had our team of volunteers obtain the footage. However, the cameras were set to automatically pan, tilt, and zoom in various angles. Unfortunately, all cameras that could have captured the scene were facing away from the apprehension when it occurred.
Where's your shoes? Let's roll you over. We're gonna get you some breath, okay? Stand up. Just sit up. Sit up. Just catch your breath, all right? Just catch your breath. I don't know. It's probably out of breath. Catch your breath. You good? Let's get her up. Let's put her on the bench over there. Catch your breath. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got squads right here.
We're en route. Just give me the last 4 of the case.
You're just out of breath, right? Yeah. How old are you?
You know what I actually just noticed? Even Midwest Safety started putting their watermark in the middle of it. Because you know what? The thing is that there's a bunch of channels out there that take the content, take the footage that, you know, they get and, you know, do a couple of little edits, you know what I'm saying, or whatever, or might get a different AI voice or something like that, and then they upload it again themselves, you know. So a lot of the channels that, you know, actually go out and get footage, they put their watermark, which is good. You know what I'm saying? It's good that the channels do it. I know the viewer, you may not like it, or you may think that is distracting, whatever, but body cam channels have to do this in order to not have other people steal their content. You know what I'm saying?
Oops, sorry. How old are you? 21. What's your name?
You can assign that to...
What's your first name? Come on, you shouldn't be that out of breath. You're 21 years old.
After her arrest, court documents suggest that the 21-year-old suspect would remain under strict supervision until her verdict was decided roughly 5 months later. She faced charges for operating without the owner's consent, fleeing, obstructing, and second-degree recklessly endangering safety. She eventually submitted a guilty plea. For second-degree recklessly endangering safety, she was sentenced 1 year in the House of Corrections, but that sentence was stayed. Instead, she will face 2 years of probation, with the potential for 60 days at the House of Corrections upon her parole agent's discretion. All other charges were dismissed, but read in. She is legally restricted from possessing firearms and voting. While these security cameras couldn't catch the apprehension, a camera from safetyvid.org likely captured a bird's-eye view of your freeway crash. If you're looking for footage of a freeway accident you were involved in,
watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.